How to add personalized user data to a post. Beamer can help you track different kinds of data about your users. Maybe you're doing that right now. But what if you want to use it to create better posts? For example, here I'm writing a new post. I'm in my post editor screen. And I want to speak to my users directly. And I can just write, "Hey guys." But what if I want to call them by their name? Well, I can change this and click on this icon, insert user data, and now I can pick any of these data variables. For example, first name. And now I can add a default. And if a user I'm tracking sees this message, they will see their name here. If I'm not tracking that variable, they'll see my default. But that means that some of the users that read this post, when I finish it, will have a different connection with it because I will be addressing them directly. Isn't that fun? And it's as easy as that. Don't forget, click on this icon, insert user data. And that's it. Thanks for watching.